Signs your business operations are disorganized. Initial signs your business operations are falling apart are subtle. When business processes are disorganized, the symptoms are easy to miss until the problems pile up. Missed deadlines, repeated errors, unclear responsibilities, and frequent rework are the signs that business operation systems are breaking down. If managers and/or business owners spend more than half their time dealing with day-to-day operations and not growth, there could be a more serious underlying issue disorganizing your overall business operations. That imbalance often begins with disorganized workflows that are being ignored or no one's tracking. Before attempting to fix anything related to the company's business operations, identify how the company's end product actually gets done. Don't rely on assumptions. Create a written basic process map for one key task in your business. When I say process map, I'm talking about a simple list that outlines each step. Write each step, who's performing it, and what tools are used. Companies that document their business operations processes experience fewer operational disruptions. Basic mapping provides a clear starting point, and the employees are the best people to complete this. Why do confused roles hurt productivity in your business operations? Without clear roles in business operations management, tasks get duplicated or worse, ignored. Small teams often assign tasks informally, which leads to confusion with a number of employees not knowing what's expected of them at work. Define each person's primary responsibilities in writing, as with a job description and formal training. Ensure every employee knows which decisions they are authorized to make and which require approval. Here's one change guaranteed to reduce errors in small business operations. Tasks that are repeated often should follow the same steps each and every time. If the process changes based on who's performing the task, that inconsistency becomes a risk. Lack of written standard procedures can increase the risk of jeopardizing the company's productivity and bottom line. Standardize all repeated tasks by documenting task steps, create checklists, and use templates to ensure consistency. Too many tools are slowing down your small business. Let me explain. Every other commercial advertises the latest, newest app. Using too many apps in business operations can make things worse, not better. Switching between tools wastes time and causes communication gaps. Workers toggle between apps, both personal and work-related, hundreds of times a day on average. Choose tools that integrate with each other. Reduce duplication and match how teams work. Eliminate anything that's not actively helping you deliver results. This includes excessive time on any one app. Organize company projects before they derail. Every task and project should be in a place where progress is tracked. Using sticky notes and random email threads in your business operations may cause missed steps. I highly recommend small businesses use digital project trackers so tasks, status, assigned employees' names, and deadlines are always visible, since shared visibility greatly reduces mistakes. Choose one method and use it consistently across the teams. Make time to train employees on the selected method. Chaotic communication is hurting your business. Information should move smoothly from one person to another. If employees often ask the same questions or wait on answers, that creates delays. Miscommunication costs U.S. businesses thousands of dollars per employee every year. Create a central business operations hub for critical information like procedures, contact details, and updates. This reduces the risk of knowledge gaps. How to stay in control of business processes. Hold short weekly meetings to review business operations with only the necessary employees. Look at what's working and what's not. Check for tasks that didn't get done, delays that keep happening, and steps that confuse employees. Companies with regular business operations reviews are more responsive to internal issues. Keep the meeting short, focused, and action-oriented. One person should own each key process in business operations. Process ownership is assigning an employee to maintain documented business operations processes. If no employee owns a process, no one may feel responsible for fixing it. Assign a team member to monitor each important workflow: sales, onboarding, invoicing, or customer service. That employee provides maintenance on that process, making sure the process works, updating it when needed, and tracks problems. Build process improvement into your business operations. Business operations improvements don't just happen automatically. Schedule time to review and adjust how employees work. Once a quarter, audit one part of the business. Look for extra steps, delays, or confusion. Get employee feedback. I guarantee the company will show improved performance when everyone focuses intentionally on process improvement over 6 months. Set a calendar reminder, block the time, and do the work. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.